Well, in its simplest form, cloud computing is basically an environment or an area that is contained within a data center where resources such as server or computing resources, storage resources, and networking resources are made available to clients to access those resources via the internet or via a dedicated circuit, such that they don't have to buy that infrastructure on their own and put it in their own comm rooms. So there are a variety of cloud providers out in the marketplace, which are public cloud providers such as the likes of Amazon and Microsoft. However, these clouds are basically comprised of technology that offers very simple ways in which applications can be delivered to the user's desktop. There are several benefits in comparing the cloud versus a traditional hardware deployment. Typically with cloud deployments, the provider is procuring all of the equipment on behalf of all of the users of the cloud itself. So the storage, the networking, the servers are all procured by the provider, and they have the responsibility of providing all the maintenance, daily, monthly patches, upgrades, things along those lines, as well as ensuring on a typical 3-year basis, as the equipment becomes obsolete, they will refresh the technology to provide the most contemporary, latest technology to the users of the cloud itself. So obviously, CapEx is a major issue when procuring equipment for a client's own data center, but using a cloud, there's no upfront capital that's outlaid other than the traditional desktops or network connectivity in the office, firewall, router as such. Other benefits are that around scalability and manageability. Obviously, using a cloud provider, you're utilizing their resources to manage the environment, but typically the way clouds are designed, they offer very scalable environments such that you can scale the amount of processing, scaling the amount of storage consumption, and even the amount of bandwidth necessary to have the applications delivered to the desktop in a seamless, robust fashion. I think when we look about the hesitation regarding hedge funds utilizing cloud services, that's a bit of a misnomer in the fact that many of the funds themselves have already been using cloud services by the likes of their CRM packages that they might have, or their fund administrator is outsourced and utilizing cloud services. So I think the next level is looking at the key applications such as their back office applications, front office applications, their order management systems, their client relationship management systems, their trading systems. Are they comfortable enough to have them be placed in the cloud? And given what the cost points are and the trade-offs in terms of utilizing the cloud versus building the equipment or buying the equipment and put it in their own data center, it's a very cost-effective, very strong value proposition to utilize the cloud. So from our perspective at Castle, we're beginning to see a wide number of clients, both startups and traditional firms who are established, to consider the cloud as a viable option to run their applications within it. The benefits from, as I mentioned earlier, from cost effectiveness, scalability, manageability, not being on a technology treadmill makes it very, very comfortable for the funds to select moving down this path. And I believe by the year 2012 we're going to see a strong majority of the mid-sized hedge funds actually utilizing cloud services.